Yung ating fence, bukod sa hollow block fence natin, naglagay pa tayo ng metal fence sa
So,
taas.
secured talaga ang
Secure
mga
natin siya,
residents.
no?
Ano ba talagang ideal age kapag mag-i-invest ka? Dapat ba nasa mga 20s ka, 30s, o pag magpapamilya ka na?
Well, of course, the rule of the thumb is, the younger you start investing,
The better.
the better.
Oh.
We can see that Angeles City ngayon, medyo masyado ng masyado ng nagkukulang ng lupa.
That's true.
And
Scars,
yung
resource.
adjustment, increase in prices is getting too much, no?
That's
Ang
true.
bilis, no? So, kung ako, I have my children or gonna get married, perhaps many Angeles, no? Mga businessman, no? Or well-to-do family can have their children, no? Kahit sa
That's right.
initial payment, tulungan na nila.
So, when should they stop renting? Mga iba kasi kinakabahan.
Yes.
Rent na lang sila forever. Kasi raw, talagang ang laki ng difference between renting a house and somehow the leap is kinda significant of buying a house. What are your views on that, Mr. Tan?
Yung pagrenta, sabi nga nila, pagka nag-renta ka raw, pag natulog ka, kinabukasan may utang ka na eh. Di ba?
That's right. Kasi hindi talaga
Very,
iyo.
alam mo pa,
Oo.
ito nga sinasabi ko, it's good that I was given a chance to talk now. No? Sinasabi ko nga bakit ba ang tayo mga Pilipino, we fail to realize at kinakabahan tayo na bumili ng bahay. They didn't
Natatakot
realize,
no? Oo.
they didn't realize pagka nagre-renta ka, it's sure, tapon na yun eh. But they didn't realize,
That's right.
they didn't realize pag naghuhulog ka, okay, bumili ka ng bahay, unang-una ma-inspire ka. Inspired ka, you'll have dignity in your life, you know,
Kasi iyon na
there is
yun,
some,
no?
there is
Iyon
something
na
that you have
yun.
done for you and for
Value
yourself,
kayo.
or for family, di ba? Tingin ko, di ba, napakasaya mo, na-inspirado kang magtrabaho because you want to keep the house.
That's right.
So,
And
lahat
you
ng
want-
vision mo
You can
mawawala.
improve it pa, di ba? Kasi iyo talaga yan, hindi ka manghihinaya.
Ako, Miss Pai,
Oo.
may bago ng magandang tanong
Sige.
kay Mr. Tan.
Oo.
Mr. Tan, saan po ba maganda mag-invest? Yung lugar. Ano ba yung magandang indicator na yung lugar na i-invest, yung
Sa real estate.
sa real estate, maganda yung lugar na i-investa nila?
Alam po, saan pa tayo pupunta? I love my own, of course, Angeles City.
Yan.
tayo.
Proud na kita
Oo.
yan.
Alam mo kasi, ako, for one, I've been residing in Angeles for quite some time. Ang isa sa kinalulungkot ko is that in the 80s and in the 90s, etong sa South, puro sila na lang eh. Okay? You can see from Manila, Makati, going to Cavite, going to Laguna, abot na ng Batangas. Nakanda traffic na sila roon, dun pa rin sila.
Right.
Now, sabi ko nga, when will be the start where Angeles City
North naman.
will boom?
Alright.
In fact, ang malas lang natin na pinagtubo noong 90s, you know, nagsara ang housing dito. So I was forced to have my project in Pangasinan. But nung nag-normalize na,
Bumalik
I still
ulit.
believe in this area.
Ay, hindi mo kung hindi mo itatanong si Mr. Tan, speculator yan. So that's why house, land, and home experience, malaking invest talaga sa
Angeles City. Nako, Mike, susumbong na kita kay Mr. Tan. Mr. Tan, si Mike kasi may balak bumili ng kondo.
Oh.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko, ano ba ang better decision to make at this point in time na si Mike may bagong pamilya? Magko-condo ba siya o mag-real estate na bahay na kanya?
Mukhang uso ngayon ng mga
Oo,
lindol pa
usong-uso
eh.
yan eh.
Ako meron nga kaming condo sa Manila, sa Makati, hindi ako makatulog dun. Because mataas, kaba-kaba ako. No, but point of that, setting the joke aside, alam mo, those people that buy condo, there are only main two reasons why. One is perhaps they don't like an area na marami silang i-maintain o ginagastosan. Okay? Wala silang taong titira o isa o dalawa lang sila. So perhaps convenience, no? Alam mo ba yung mga Koreano na pupunta rito? I interview one Korean pa ya. Ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo Mr. Tan, all Koreans, sabi niya, all Koreans dream is to own
Their
their
own
own house and lot.
lot.
Because in Korea, puro sila apartment. They call condo is an apartment sa kanila.
Cars na kasi.
Masyadong
Wala.
crowded, no?
So, So
Wala pa-
opportunity talaga, no? Kasi you get a piece of the earth eh.
Yes,
You
yes.
own a piece of the earth,
Yes.
diba?
Oo, at saka family mo lumalaki.
Tama.
No? Sa condo, very, very limited lang ang space mo dyan eh. Okay? So, I think as long as there are projects like Nubu here in Angeles City, the condo market will still have the option to buy na lang sarili. Anyway, the price baka mas mura pa tayo eh.
Eh, yung condo naman, kung maintenance lang, eh, may property management
Yes.
naman, Lian, di ba?
Exactly.
Paano ba, how does property management work here at Nubu?
Actually, so yung property management team namin dito is there to make sure na lahat ng needs ng homeowners natin, parang yung service is like a condo service na. If we can do landscaping for them, yung trimming nila, gardening,
Oo.
di mas maganda, diba? I mean, we can do housekeeping also kasi we have clients na nasa abroad. So, someone has to maintain their house. At a minimal fee, pwede namin i-maintain yung bahay nila for
So,
them.
Yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Hindi condo bibiling ko, condo style living, may property
Yeah.
management.
Uy naman
So,
pala
yun.
eh.
Galing mo
nga.
Dito ako bibili.
Tama.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Yung nga alam mo, kasi whenever we do a subdivision project, whether it is low cost or middle cost or high end, we always put into our mind the needs of a person.
That's right.
Yung mga worries niya, gusto namin i-eliminate lahat
Oo,
yan.
tama, no? Very, very emphatic kayo. You know exactly what the homeowners may need. So, hindi pa man nila nagiging problema, may solusyon na kayo.
Yes, ina-anticipate na natin yan.
Since ang title namin is My Kind of Life, di ba? I'm sure you envision a kind of life for your homeowners dito sa subdivision nyo. So, what would that be? Anong ini-envision mo na kind of life nila?
I think we want them a kind of life that there is a feeling of security, where they will be very happy, very, very comfortable, no? At higit sa lahat, they'll be very, very proud of the neighborhood. I want a subdivision where there is an interaction among homeowners. Ayoko ng subdivision na ang itsura ng mga bahay nila ay parang sigulit chapsuy, iba-iba. No?
Tapos
Yung
hindi
iba tapos,
magkakakilala.
yung iba tapos, yung isa, ibang kulay ganito, ibang kulay ganon. We want something that they could
Be proud.
international standard.
Oo.
Kasi it will be an international standard. I want this Noburis to be a very good example for Angeles City. I would like to contribute to Angeles in Pampanga. And of course, our country.
Ang galing. How selfless naman. Very, very selfless idea of the kind of life of homeowners. And since, nako, ang dami pa natin matutunan dapat kay Mr. Tan, but we're running out of time.
Sabi nga nila, hanggat bata pa, mas maganda na kung makapag-invest na tayo para mas maganda ang kinabukasan natin. Kung gusto niyo na mas lasting investment, we have real estate here at Nubu Residences. That's especially for you.
Kaya value hard-earned money and save up for the future para you can invest in the best property and community in town. I guarantee you po, Nubu will give you the ultimate home experience you've been waiting for.
And lastly, time is precious. Let's always make the right decisions in our lives by choosing nothing but the best for our family. Kaya naman, stick around for another episode next week that will surely change your lives here at
My